Okay, the worksheet on. Hello, Thizan, good morning. Chemical reaction of metals and non-metals. Okay. So please start writing along with me. Okay. So the sodium plus oxygen, we know that metal plus oxygen will give you metal oxide. So sodium plus oxygen will give us sodium oxide. Calcium plus hydrochloric acid. So a metal reacting with hydrochloric acid will give us calcium chloride.
Calcium hydrochloride.
Calcium chloride.
That's hydrogen gas.
Yes, the gas
Hydrogen.
involved is hydrogen gas. Hydrogen plus oxygen is water. Dash plus dash gives carbon dioxide. So it is carbon plus oxygen. Yes, that's carbon dioxide. Lithium plus chlorine gives lithium chloride. Carbon dioxide plus water gives carbonic acid. Potassium plus sulfuric acid gives us potassium sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Okay, so I'm going to give you more 8 questions, okay, as a practice right now. The more 8 questions.
Miss, what's the answer for the last one?
Yes, potassium sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Let us discuss. Dash plus dash gives you sulfuric acid, which is your sulfur trioxide plus water. Dash plus dash gives magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. So it is magnesium plus hydrochloric acid. Sulfur plus oxygen. You can write anything, sulfur dioxide. No, in fact, sulfur dioxide is only the answer. Lithium plus water, lithium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Dash plus dash gives aluminium chloride. So it is aluminium plus chlorine. Dash plus dash gives zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. So it is zinc plus sulfuric acid. Silver plus oxygen gives silver oxide. Dash plus hydrochloric acid, so it's iron plus hydrochloric acid gives iron chloride plus hydrogen gas. Okay. So now after this, let us learn about the new topic, which is types of reaction. Types of chemical reaction. Types of chemical reaction. Now, the first type of chemical reaction is type 1. It is combination reaction, also called as synthesis. Combination reaction, also called as synthesis. So everybody will pay attention. So it is basically A plus B gives you C. What is the peculiarity of combination reaction is that two or more reactant, whatever is there on the left hand side of the reaction is called as reactant. So two or more reactant reacts and only one single product is formed. So in this part, in this topic, what we are learning, you don't have to remember any kind of products or something. There will be equations given and you just have to identify the type, that whether it is combination or any other type of reaction. So what is example of combination reaction? We have already done that. So let's say hydrogen plus oxygen gives water. So you are reacting two raw materials, means you are reacting hydrogen with oxygen, but you are getting only one single product, which is water. Another example, let's say nitrogen plus hydrogen gives ammonia gas. So over here also, you are getting only one single product. Please copy down this in your notebook. Write the heading as type of chemical reaction. First one, combination. The second type of reaction is opposite of combination. Now, combination is what? Combination is something where you are making something, correct? There is two or more reactant coming together and there is only one single product. The second type of reaction is decomposition. The second type of reaction is decomposition, where there will be only one reactant breaking into two or more products. Breaking into two or more products. Example.
Miss, can you go back to the previous slide?
Yes.
So which one is the reactant? Here?
Reactant, okay. For any reaction, okay, suppose for any reaction, the left hand side before arrow, these are called as reactant.
Okay.
And this is called as product.
Okay.
For any chemical reaction, before arrows are called as reactant and after arrow is called as product.
Okay.
Miss, I can't see.
You can't see the screen.
No.
One second. Now?
I can see now.
Okay. So you will have only one reactant breaking into two or more products. So a single reactant giving you two or more products. Okay. So you can start writing. An example is if I have, let's say, calcium carbonate. With the help of heat, it will break into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So you can see that there is only one reactant, but two products. Another example,
But means you have to do something to the reactant to get two products, right?
yeah, it can be two or more also. So we have to either supply heat, we have to either supply electricity. So
Okay.
that has to be there. Some kind of a driving force should be there. Heat, it will give me, over here there are three products, zinc oxide plus oxygen plus nitrogen dioxide. As I told you that you are not supposed to remember the reaction. Over here, we are just following the type of reaction.
So do you have to write this?
Yes, yes, please start writing. The third type of reaction is displacement reaction. The third type of reaction is displacement reaction. Now in this displacement, you will have a single element. Okay, reactant will be, A will be an element, plus you will have a compound. So there will be an element reacting with a compound will give you AC plus B. So this is, let's say, compound 1. So in the product, you will get compound 2 and another element. So I will explain you what does this mean. Example, let's say suppose I have zinc plus hydrochloric acid. So zinc is an element, HCl is a compound. You are displacing, you are substituting zinc as zinc chloride plus H2. So you are getting, this is compound A, you are getting compound B plus another element. Giving you another example. Suppose you have KBr. This is compound A plus Cl2. This is an element. It will give you KCl. So this is compound B plus Br2. So this is an element. So your displacement, yes.
What does the first example say? Zinc plus.
Hydrochloric acid, hydrochloric acid.
Okay.
So as I told you that you do not have to remember the formulas, you don't have to even remember what is the reaction. You just have to look at the reaction and you have to identify the type. Writing the chemical equations that you will be learning in grade in your year 9, not now. Right now you will be focusing more on word equations.
Miss,
Yes.
for the first example, 2 in the compound.
Sorry, first.
In the first example for compound B, why is there a 2?
Because of its valency. You cannot write zinc chloride as ZnCl. The formula is ZnCl2. So that learning the formula, you will be doing it in year 9. That how you got zinc chloride. Okay.
Okay.
The one with the name, the C1, okay. So let's say I have sodium plus sulfuric acid. I will get sodium sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Another example, I'm going to write it over here. Iron plus copper sulfate. I'm going to get iron sulfate plus copper. So does this
So
make
it's, I get it.
okay? So iron is displacing copper.
I get it now.
Yeah. Okay. Fourth one, the fourth type of reaction is double displacement.
Oh. This sounds like it's gonna be confusing.
The first one was single displacement. Now it is double displacement. Now double displacement will be, you will have, now instead of element, you will have compound 1. Okay. Reacting with compound 2. So compound 1 reacting with compound 2. So it's basically, you are just switching partners. And you are going to get compound 3. So you will get A will go with D. So you will get A, D plus C, B. So there is a metro station, ADCB. Plus compound 4. So it's double displacement, it's switching partners.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you have AC and BD?
A, C and BD, no, you will not have that. A will always go with D and C will always go with B.
Okay.
Miss, but can you write it in another order like DA plus BC or something?
No.
Okay.
No, if whatever you can switch this as CB plus AD, but
Okay.
you cannot switch the letters.
So now can you write it as the actual element?
Yes. So I have sodium chloride plus I have silver nitrate. Sodium chloride plus silver nitrate. So sodium will go with nitrate. So sodium, nitrate, plus silver, chloride. Sodium nitrate plus silver chloride.
Okay.
Let us write one more example. Barium nitrate plus lithium sulfate. What will be the answer?
Barium sulfate plus lithium nitrate.
Yes, it will be barium sulfate plus lithium nitrate. Okay, so is this double displacement clear? You are switching partners.
Yeah, it's clear.
Can we go for the last reaction?
I'm done.
Yes, can we go for the last reaction?
Yeah.
I'm almost done.
Okay, fine. So the last reaction is fifth one, combustion. Last reactions, combustion. The combustion reaction is reaction with oxygen, or we can say burning in oxygen. So all these fuels which are getting burned is actually a kind of combustion reaction. Example, methane plus oxygen gives you carbon dioxide plus water. So you will get generally the products will be either carbon dioxide plus water or carbon monoxide plus water. Another example, let's take ethyl alcohol. You react with oxygen. You will still get carbon dioxide plus water. See, suppose you are taking, let's say glucose. You are burning in oxygen. You will get carbon dioxide plus water. So this is basically a reaction of respiration. The glucose, the sugars inside our body is getting converted to carbon dioxide plus water. So even that is an example of combustion reaction. That is an
Miss,
example
what's
of,
reciprocation mean again?
sorry,
What's reciprocation mean again?
taking.
Hmm?
Can you repeat? Can you repeat?
What does reciprocation mean?
Respiration.
Oh, respiration, sorry.
Yeah, it is respiration.
What does it mean?
Respiration is our, like we inhale oxygen, we give out carbon dioxide.
Oh, okay, yeah.
The breathing
Yeah,
reaction. So how that is taking place? So whatever food we eat, the food has carbohydrates. The carbohydrates is a bigger molecule. So inside our body, we have a mechanism where that big molecule carbohydrate is broken down into small molecule of glucose. That glucose, when we inhale oxygen, so that glucose combines with oxygen and you get carbon dioxide, which is a waste gas, and you exhale out.
Okay.
So this was the overall 5 different types of reaction: combination, decomposition, single displacement, double displacement, and combustion. Okay. So please copy down this.
Wait, after everyone's finished this page, can you go back to the last page? Because I wasn't finished.
Yes, I will go back to the last.
I finished, ma'am.
Okay.
Same.
I finished as well.
So can I go back to the last previous slide, Salim?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we have finished the type of reaction. So that's the overall whole topic, the 5 topics which I had told that we will be doing it in our summer program. So we have finished all the 5 topics. On Wednesday, we are going to do an overall revision of those 5 topics. So it will be kind of a prep for your test. And then over the weekend, you can just go over all the lessons, all the recordings if you want. And on Monday when we meet, that's next week. So we will be having a test and assessment, so it's kind of just an assessment that whatever you have learned, whether you are able to write it down or not. I'm sure you guys are going to do it well. So guys, with this, we will end the session and see you on Wednesday at same time, 11 o'clock. Till then, bye-bye, take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye, miss. See you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Miss, can we do hang